Hi guys, it's been a while since we've done a video, but I have a great patient for you today. She's a wonderful patient of our clinic, and we're going to be doing Sculptra and HA filler, Restylane Defyne on her. I'm going to pretty much be treating the whole face. This patient has had both products before. I'm going to be treating the temples for volume loss, the preauricular front of ear area for volume loss, and I'm going to be using Sculptra for that. I'm going to be putting a little bit of Restylane Defyne in the nasolabial folds, the pyriform aperture under the nasal ala. I'm going to be treating the chin and around the mouth with Restylane Defyne as well. So we're going to be working with Sculptra and Restylane Defyne. I'm going to be using a cannula in some areas and a needle in others, so you'll kind of get to see both variations. Excited. Guys, we're going to start with the temple, and I'm using Sculptra, and then I'm going to also treat this preauricular area, kind of soften the transition between her cheekbone, okay, and the submalar below malar area in front of the ear here. Alright guys, so that's the treatment. We used 2 ml of Restylane Defyne and 1 vial of Sculptra, and what I did was I used Sculptra to add volume to the temples and the preauricular area in front of the ear here, and as well as her lateral cheek. I then put a little bit of Restylane Defyne into the lateral tail of the brow to just give her a little brow raise, open up her eyes a little. We put a little bit of filler of Restylane Defyne into the pyriform and into the nasolabial fold. Then I came down to the corner of the mouth, the pre-jowl, the anterior jawline, as well as the chin. So we basically treated the whole face, and you can see immediately post-procedure, I just massaged things with an ultrasound gel. You can see immediately post-procedure, she can go to a nice lunch and nobody will be able to tell the better. A natural looking result. Not swollen, not bruised, and a simple filler treatment.